Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to log out from and delete your home from your home app on the iPhone. So to do this you need to get the app, of course, then open the app. 1 second, yeah. Press on the home button right here, then home settings, and from here scroll down, remove home, remove. And just like that, your home is removed from the app, and you need to add another home. Just like that. So that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.